Here's the story of how I spent the lockdown in March 2020. I wanted to create my own little paradise in the middle of this ex-communist urban landscape.
Bratislava? Yeah. Bratislava!
I had no experience in carpentry or gardening, but I had some spare time and a camera. And now, 14 months later, I finally invited some people. Funny thing is, they have no idea what went into this, but you're about to find out. Terrace. Okay, this is all gonna be wood. Big trees or whatever, and then plants. That sums up phase one. Everything is clean, everything is ready, especially the railing changed the color. This thing turns out to be the best tool I've ever had. Anyway, next up is all the woodwork. We're gonna cover this, and all the railings in wood, and the wall behind you. And we're gonna have to build 6 meters of pots.
Chcel by si postaviť aj svoj dom?
Yeah. Finish both of these walls. And the wood paneling on the railings. This is gonna serve as the back wall for the pots which are coming up next. Also super important, we were able to move the water connection from here to back there, which is key. Because this is gonna be all of the seating, so I don't want people breaking off this nozzle. Okay, this about wraps up phase 2. Abri. Abri. So, the next task is a little different. So I bought all the plants that are on the terrace, but there's one problem. Not a single gardening shop in Bratislava has those long climbing plants. I'm talking 2 to 5 meters. So my dad gave me the tip that in the local woods, just across this bridge, you can find ones that are 4 to 7 meters long. I took my little shovel, I took my gardening gloves. I literally have no idea what I'm doing here. I hope this is gonna work out. I hope it's gonna root in. Let's see. Wow. Okay, so if you had a closer look, you would realize that all of this greenery on the floor, all of it, are these climby plants. All this. Well, let's get to work. Okay, so this one is close to the water, get some sunlight, and it has fresh green leaves. I guess that should work. Let's try. Okay, so the root is right here. I'll just try to tear it out. Ah, damn, I'll have to dig it out. I did it! You know what? Let's get a second one. This guy climbing up all the way there to the top has some fresh young leaves. It's about 8 meters in length. This would not just solve the terrace, this would also solve like the arc above. Insane. Obviously the problem is it's up there. That won't stop me. I hope I won't hurt myself. I hope I won't hurt myself. I hope I won't hurt myself. And I have to be super careful in not breaking it. Let's just leave the camera rolling and see what happens, I guess.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Woo! Okay, I'm alright. I got it! Whoa! Whoa, I got the full thing. No! No way I got this. Well, that should make the life of the tree easier. I can't actually believe this worked. I feel like I owe you an overview of what's going on here. That's 12 meters. Sorry. Okay, how I'm gonna get this home, I don't know, I guess I'm just gonna walk. Okay, look, not gonna lie, this setup is a little sketchy. How are you spending your corona?
Never outlasted, 'cause I'm always staying on. I'm moving fast when I'm gonna broadcast it. And if you're ready to, then you can come along. I'm gonna get up and move. Get up and move. I'm gonna get up and move. From my feet to my hands, got a body to use. Get up and move. Get up and move.
Yesterday we connected electricity and check this out. So cool. That's it.
Let's actually spend some time out here. Finally. Finally!
Thanks to my dad for supporting me in this project, with all of his experience and knowledge. Thanks to Robo and Nico for editing this humongous pile of footage into a story. And shout out to the pandemic for creating space to explore new hobbies.
Enjoy Bratislava. It's good you came in summer. In winter, it can get very depressing.